A QR code printed on a class 12th mathematics question paper of Central Board of Secondary Education unexpectedly led users to a music video, triggering discussion on social media. The mathematics examination was conducted on March 9th. Soon after the exam ended, images of the question paper began circulating online, with several students claiming that the QR code printed on the paper redirected them to the YouTube music video of the 1987 hit song Never Gonna Give You Up by British singer Rick Astley. The incident quickly drew attention because the redirection resembled the well-known internet prank called Rickrolling. In this prank, users click on a link expecting something else but are instead taken to the music video of Rick Astley's popular song. QR codes are usually printed on board examination papers to verify their authenticity and ensure that the question paper has not been tampered with. CBSE clarified that the question paper itself was not compromised and the integrity of the examination remained intact. However, the board said the issue has been taken seriously. It added that while the concerns about the authenticity of the question paper have been addressed, necessary steps are being taken to ensure that such incidents do not occur again in the future.